Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the product sellable on shelf. Finalize packaging, label requirements, UPCs, and SKU logic so ordering is simple. Once done, build a one-page sell sheet that lists price, minimum order quantity, lead time, and sample terms. Retailers need clear numbers. Next, target 10 stores that match your buyer profile and foot traffic goals. Prioritize independent chains and regional buyers. You call or email to request a buyer appointment, attaching that single-sheet summary to speed decision-making. You present a concise 5-minute pitch that shows sales potential, margins, and merchandising ideas. Bring 3 ready-to-sell samples so buyers can feel quality. While discussing, negotiate concrete terms. Shelf placement, recommended retail price, payment window, and return policy. Explain why your pricing supports velocity. Once agreed, confirm the ordering method, EDI, portal, or PO, so fulfillment is seamless. Make sure to record lead times, case pack, and reorder cadence, so the buyer trusts you to deliver reliably. You ship to the store on the agreed schedule with accurate labels, carton counts, and an invoice. This builds credibility. Once received, coordinate a launch. In-store demos, point-of-sale signage, and a social media push targeting the store's customers. Track initial sales weekly and restock proactively. If sales miss goals, troubleshoot quickly. Ask the buyer about placement, offer a short promotion, refresh signage, or tweak price. Communicate changes, measure impact, and iterate until velocity meets the agreed objectives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.